హాయ్ సుప్రియ, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. లేదు, ఎందుకంటే అది కరిగిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ నాకు మెమరీ పోతుందని ఆ క్యాండిల్ అట్లనే సేఫ్గా పెట్టుకున్నా. ఇంకా మా ఇంట్లో అది అట్లనే ఉంది. చాలా స్పెషల్. ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్ how we both used to do homeworks together and talk together, talk about everything. And of course నాకు కంటెంట్ గుర్తులేదు ఏం మాట్లాడామో, కానీ ఐ రిమెంబర్ ద స్పెషల్ బాండ్ ఐ షేర్డ్ విత్ యూ. నౌ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ పొజిషన్. ఇంకా ఇట్లానే మంచి మంచి పొజిషన్లోకి వెళ్ళి చాలా సోర్ అవ్వాలి కెరియర్లో హైగా అని. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే.
Hi Supriya, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. Have a blessed year.
Hey Supriya, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
నీ కోరికలను సిద్ధింపచేసి నీ ఆలోచన యావత్తును ఆయన సఫలపరచుగాక.
You're such a sweetheart.
You're such a beautiful soul. May his face shine upon you and may his grace be upon you. You're such a beautiful lady.
Stay blessed, Akka. Keep rocking. We love you. Happy birthday, Supriya.
Hi Supriya, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Many more happy returns of the day and stay blessed, okay? Take care. Have fun.
Hi Supriya, many happy returns of the day. Hope you are safe and healthy. Have a wonderful day and an amazing year ahead. Thank you so much Moni, and big thanks to your sister for giving us the opportunity to wish you this specially. Have a great day. Bye.
Happy birthday dear. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Supi. May God bless you. Be happy. Stay home. Stay safe. Online classes happy.
Happy birthday, Supriya. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you, my sweet girl. Love you.
Hi Supi, wish you many more happy returns of the day. My birthday will fill with joy and happiness. Whatever you want your life is always achieved. Keep smiling. Happy birthday.
Hi Supi, happy birthday. May all your wish come true. Hope we would meet again. Stay home. Bye-bye.
Hi, Supi. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Supi. God bless you. Miss you lot, Supi. You are the one person in our batch with tension party. You'll be always tensed if you are absent for the class or if you are late for the college. Soon after when you'll come to the class, you'll ask that, "Are sister emanna anda lekapothe madams emanna anara" ani ee question e untadi. You also know that one. We miss you dear, and we are having one gang. You also know that at the preparatory holidays we used to be sit under the tree and we used to be study. అక్కడ స్టడీ అని కూర్చునేటోళ్ళం, కానీ స్టడీ చేయకపోయేటోళ్ళం, అది నీకు కూడా తెలుసు. We used to enjoy a lot and you used to be bring for us variety of dishes from your home as a being a day scholar. Thank you Supi for your love and care and support, and hope that you are doing good wherever you are presently. Be happy and hope for the best. All the best Supi. Once again wish you many more happy returns of the day, Supi. Thank you.
Hi Supi. Wish you many more happy returns of the day dear. May God bless you. God have blessed you with many virtues in your life. Keep rocking always. Stay blessed. Once again happy birthday dear. Love you.
Hi Supriya, happy birthday. Many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you abundantly. And you are a good singer in Carmel Baptist Church. It's really happy that you joined in choir and sang for Christ. Chala happy about that. Tarvata, you're a good anchor. God bless you more and more and use you more. Tarvata, you're very calm, quiet, and more of very much sensitive. ఇంకా ఏం చెప్పాలంటే, అండ్ యువర్ డాడీ కుట్టి. యూ లవ్ యువర్ డాడీ మోస్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది. వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ అబౌట్ యూ. అండ్ దేవుడు నేను ఇంకా సింగింగ్లో బ్లెస్ చేయాలని, నీ కెరియర్లో కూడా దేవుడు ఇంకా నిన్ను దీవించాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మే గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. విష్ యూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే వన్స్ అగైన్. మా జాయ్ నీకు బర్త్డే విషెస్ చెప్తాడు.
Hi, praise the Lord. Many more happy returns of the day to the person who's beautiful from inside out. Such an amazing soul who have touched my heart in many ways. Thanks for all the love, care, support and encouragement you have given me. Thanks for making an effort to put a smile on my face all the time. You have always been my go-to person. It might be AM or PM. Whenever I text you, the immediate response from you, the positive response from you have strengthened me in low times. You are not only blessed with beautiful voice but also with beautiful smile and heart. Keep smiling, always spread smiles as you always do. What makes you different from others is you'll always make people feel special about themselves. This makes you special. This quality I like the most from you. And on your special day, I wish God may all your dreams come true, not only today or tomorrow but always. Have a bright future, darling. Initially నేను అనుకోలేదు మనం ఇలా స్ట్రాంగ్ అవుతామని. మేబీ వీ షేర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ థింగ్స్ బిట్వీన్ అస్. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ వై వీ బికేమ్ బెస్టీస్. ఐ అష్యూర్ యూ మై లవ్, కేర్, సపోర్ట్ అండ్ ప్రేయర్స్ టు యూ టిల్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ మై ప్రేయర్ పార్ట్నర్. వెనెవర్ ఐ వాజ్ లో, డాడీకి బాగాలేనప్పుడు, ఇంట్లో బాగాలేనప్పుడు, నా హెల్త్ బాగాలేనప్పుడు, వెనెవర్ ఐ నీడ్ ప్రేయర్స్, యూ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్ ఫర్ మీ. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ దాట్. Thanks for being so supportive. Thanks for making me feel so special always. Very soon we'll catch up. It's been so long. Stay safe, stay blessed. Once again, happy birthday to you. Not only from me, from all our family members. Bye, darling.
Supriya, how are you? I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay blessed.
Hey, happy birthday, Chintalli. I hope you have a fabulous day and great year ahead. And I love to call you like Chintalli because you are a great, loving and caring and the best. You know, a sister is a forever friend, and to have a faithful and loving sister in one person, it is just you. You are a real treasure. Be happy and loved always. You know, Chintalli, when I talk to you every time, I feel like you are my own sister. You are so genuine. Thank you for being one of the best sister to me. You know, you are so beautiful inside out. You have an inner strength that I admire so much, and I hope that you realize how much I love and respect you. You always deserve the best run, and I would like you to know that you are one of the God's greatest gifts to me. All these years God has protected you and placed you in His loving care, and today He has once again placed you with a crown of His grace over your forehead. And I know how much you have disappointed by some situations in your life, but I pray may your days of disappointments and failures be over starting from today. And the Lord is molding you for your greatest year ever. There is fresh empowerment to do great things coming upon you, and barriers shall be broken. You are about to experience a great expansion to your life and purpose. And this year definitely going to be a year of abundant blessings for you. May all your dreams be fulfilled. May all your needs to be provided by the Lord Almighty. And I pray for you as you have a special place in my heart always. May you get not only the world's best but also the heaven's best in everything. And one thing I want to tell you finally, you are my all-time favorite person, Ram. Once again, have a blessed birthday, God bless you more and more. Happy birthday, Chintalli. Bye.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Reverend Dr. Jacob A.N. Kumar from Vishakhapatnam. I am very happy to wish my little Chinnari on her birthday many more happy returns of the day. Chinnari, may God bless you in this new year and in your future. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Supi. May God bless you. Stay amazing as you are and extraordinary. Lots of love and good wishes.
Hi Supriya, hope you're doing good. Wish you many happy returns of the day. And Supriya, you're a very sweet girl I've ever seen in my life. The way you take, the way you help others, the way you talk to me, it is very nice to me. I felt very good talking to you, and God bless you, and wish you happy birthday once again.
Hi, my dear sister Supriya. Wish you a happy birthday, dear. May God bestow His blessings upon you, spiritually, personally, and professionally. May God give you good health and prosperity in all the things you do. May you celebrate many more years of birthdays like this. Have a blissful day. Bye-bye. May God bless you.